Okay, what do we have today?
Do your data center racks look like rats' nests with cables all over the place? All those cables are blocking airflow. And if you do need any service, good luck. That's why you need 3M's 1422 25 gig SFP28 direct attach copper cable assemblies. These passive copper assemblies are available with lengths to 4 meters and use 3M's high-performance twin axial cable technology, which stacks, folds, bends, and flexes for cleaner cable routing and optimum airflow for more efficient operation. Stackability leads to tighter cable bundles than competitors and reduces obstructions to airflow. The 1422 can be tightly bent or folded for more efficient routing in the rack. And tight bends at the connector means less space required at the front of the rack.